Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I have discovered the perfect early spring jacket when I'm starting to get warm during the middle of the day, but the morning is cold. This is by ZENBRIELE and it's a perfect spandex polyester lightweight fabric jacket that goes great for any time of the day and especially before my workouts. I love that it has pockets, so I could wear this if I went out for a walk. It also has a hood in case I still needed a little bit more coverage. It has the thumb holes at the end, making it really comfy and cozy to wear as well. And it's a zip up, so it's really easy to discard when you start getting too warm. It hits just over the top of my butt in the back, right at the thigh. So it's the perfect length for me that I like in a jacket. The jacket is a beautiful silvery gray color. They do have some other colors, so you could definitely pick up a few to match every outfit, and you're going to love being able to use this lightweight jacket. If you are ready to enter spring and summer, but still feeling a little chilly from air conditioning or from the weather, then you'll definitely want to go with a jacket like this. It's perfect for whenever you need just a little bit extra coverage. And that's just my point of view.